it's Lynette here, guys, and today I have this rather full bag, and it is my household empties. I had quite, what happened is a few months ago I had a bag of recycling at the top of the stairs, which was just all my cleaning stuff that I needed to go and take down, and I thought, why don't I do an empties video with my my household stuff? And it's all things that I wouldn't include in my regular empties videos, but I've had quite a few views on this one, so I think it's a video that people enjoy, seeing the different products and bits and pieces. So yep, they might not be every month, it just depends on what I've used up, so it'll be either one like monthly or every second month, bi-monthly, just see how much we actually get through in the house. So I'm just going to pull them out one by one, and as usual, there's 3 bleaches here. So yep, I bleach my toilets regularly, so I've got 3 toilets in the house, and I bleach them maybe once or twice a week, just round the rim inside the toilet, and I use bleach when I'm mopping my floors as well. So yep, there's always bleach in here, and actually the bleaches that I get either from Aldi or Lidl, the thick bleach is really good and it's really reasonably priced, so I just get those. I do use a toilet duck type thing as well every now and again, but I like putting bleach round. This was a new product for me. It's the Pink Stuff by Stardrops, and it's the Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner. There we go. So it says it's a non-drip formulation, removes and prevents limescale, a sparkling streak-free shine. Couldn't spit that out there. It is actually pink when you spray it. It's a pink foam. And now it's a really nice cleaner. But what I will say is every now and again I do like to clean the bathroom with flash bleach or Sillet Bang bleach. You know, just round the sinks and the baths. But this is a nice cleaner for regular use, and it's got a nice smell. It's not overpowering. I don't think there is any bleach in it at all. But no, I really enjoyed using it. It had a lovely smell, and it foamed up nicely. I got a nice foam when I was using that. The next item I have here is Bold 2-in-1 with built-in Lenore freshness. So it's Spring Awakening, and it's a gel, and oh, I absolutely love this. It's gorgeous. The smell from the freshener when you take the clothes out, and you can actually use it on a cold wash as well. I usually wash things on a 30, or if it's towels and sheets and things, on a 60. But no, it was really nice, and I like the fact it was a 2-in-1 and it left everything smelling really nice. So I would definitely purchase that again. The next one is something I hadn't tried before. I think I picked these up from Home Bargains or Savers. It's Surf, and it was Coconut Bliss, so there's 20 capsules. So again, that is a 2-in-1. It's a washing liquid and a conditioner. So it was really nice. The smell wasn't overly it wasn't overpowering, but it says here it's vanilla, amber and musk for the ultimate beach fragrance. So Coconut Bliss. I'm sure there's coconut in it as well. I just didn't mention it there. But yeah, that smelled really nice, and it wasn't overpowering. So if you don't like anything that's too strong, it was quite a gentle scent to it. But yeah, that was the Surf 2-in-1. That was nice. I'm actually using the pink one that I used to buy in the capsules from Surf. I'm going to pop this out here. This is a product that I absolutely love. I pick it up from Home Bargains, but Aldi have started to sell this brand as well, Fabulosa. So it's the all-in-one disinfectant spray, but it's in lemon sherbet. Now it kills 99.9% of bacteria. However, it's not going to kill the coronavirus unless it actually says it kills viruses. So you'll still need your products like Dettol or bleach for that. But I just like to give things a spray. And it does kill the flu virus, actually. There you go. It doesn't say coronavirus though. But kills cold and flu viruses. But I just love kind of spraying it around the house, and it just had a nice smell as well. So you can spray it on your toilet and surrounding areas. It's really good for the handles as well. Or the push buttons. Rubbish bins, yep, I always spray the handles in my rubbish bin anyway. Kitchen sinks, door handles, baths and taps, showers, pet beds, sofas, couches, mattresses, upholstery, car seats, dashboard and steering wheel. So the smell is absolutely gorgeous. I would use it all over the house. but it smells amazing. But you do get them in other scents. I think I picked up Antonia one before she moved, and it was like fairy dust or something. But yep, it's a really nice brand, and you'll see more of that appearing in my empties soon. So this is a product that it's always going to be in my empties. It's a colour absorbers, prevents colour runs. It says helps keep your whites white. I would never put white in with any other colour. I certainly not put it in with red anyway. But I do put it in just to stop the dye coming out. Even if I'm obsessive with my washing. But so if I was doing like a pink and red wash, I would put one of these in, and it's amazing the amount of colours that come out. Or if something's got mixed colours through it, I would put one of these in. So it's really good for that, yep. So colour run and stain remover sheets, but it does actually work. They're really good. This lasted absolutely ages. Listerine Total Care. There we go. Not quite a beauty product, so I thought I'd throw in the Empties one here. Mouthwash, 6-in-1 benefit, strengthens enamel, protects gums, protects against cavities, reduces plaque, keeps your teeth naturally white and freshens your breath, and clean mint. But sometimes it takes your breath away, it's so strong. I'm using Corsidol at the moment. What's next? Oh, this is another Aldi one. This is Alma. This must have been going through a phase. Coconut Crush Floral a Liquid Wash. Now it's super concentrated, and you know, for years I've used the big soap powders, but it's only Steve and I in the house. So I thought it'd be quite nice to try different stuff and not have that massive box of soap powder hanging around. It smells gorgeous as well, and we're not really having to worry about too many stains, because you know, when the boys were wee, I would have to make sure I used a real kind of strong soap powder that would remove the stain, so I would never have bought anything cheap. But this does the job, just really to freshen up our clothes. But no, I really like it. Really nice smell, and I must have been going for a coconut theme. This next one is, I picked this up really cheap. I think it was from Home Bargains. Himalayan Cream and Honey Nourishing Soap. Now I'm using it at the moment, and there we go. I think it was about 40 pence, but the smell is amazing, and it actually, you can really smell the honey, but it actually does leave your hands feeling really nourished afterwards, which I like. And also the shape of the soap, it means that the soap, it's kind of got an indentation in it at the bottom, but it's quite good because it means that the soap dries, so it's not sitting. I bought a new soap dish, because I've never had them before. Just used the pump, but I'm trying to cut down on plastic, so I've gone back to soap. But I had to buy a new soap dish, so it wasn't just sitting in the water, so there's little knobs on it that the soap sits on, but this is curved, so it actually means the soap doesn't sit there going all mouldy and wet and yucky. So yeah, love the smell. For the price, I'll definitely be picking more up. Now this was a candle that I got as a gift. It's the Artistry Collection from Ashley in Burwood, London. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Comes in this glass jar, which I will pop now in the glass recycling. But the smell was amazing. So Antonia's mum passed that on to me. White vanilla, absolutely beautiful. I love candles. Never used to burn them before. I don't know if I said that. I think it was just when the kids were wee. I was so scared of fire that I was just like, nope, these candles are not getting burnt. But now I've always got a candle burning. Never upstairs though. Just taking it too far in the living room or in the kitchen. So this is a Yankee candle. It was is it a votive or a votive? In clean cotton. That is lovely. My favourite is fresh towels. Honestly, I absolutely adore that smell. And this is, oh, this was from the Asda Advent Calendar, the pomegranate soap. Now it's a dupe to the Jo Malone pomegranate noir, I think, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So used that one up. And these are regular items that you might see me picking up from my Savers or Home Bargain hauls. They're the Wisdom Interdental cleaning brushes, so it's fine for small gaps. So I have some gaps, and what I was finding is the floss just wasn't kind of cleaning it properly. So I spoke to the dentist and I picked up these interdental brushes, but they were They were kind of wire. They were on like, they had like a wire, which made them stronger, but they still bent. And you popped them on this little stick, but it just, the wire going in my mouth, you know, and the little bristle brushes was just really uncomfortable. So these are kind of plasticky, so they're soft rubber, wire free. So they're really, really nice. But yeah, the wire just, and this is probably about half the price of the wire ones, but yeah, the wire just set me on edge. Oh, this is one I picked up from Aldi. So it's their hotel collection, #1, lime, basil and mandarin. It smells absolutely gorgeous. I used that one up, or rather it evaporated. And last but not least, it's a Yankee Candle soft blanket. These little candles. Now, I love Yankee candles. I love any candles, to be honest with you. But I'm making up for all those years of not burning them. So I've got a wee bit of a stash that I'll be going through. But I thought that was quite a good amount of empties to show you. And a variety of different products. If it was always going to be things like bleach and fairy liquid, I thought I'm not going to do it. But the fact that there's a variety in here so you can see different things and hear my opinions, I thought it was worthwhile doing it. But yep, I did enjoy using them. I'm really sad, I love cleaning. I struggle sometimes because of health and things, but yeah, I do love cleaning, and I clean. I'm cleaning all the time. Less so now the boys are away and I don't have any dogs anymore. The cleaning is drastically reduced. And I don't use the main bathroom unless I'm having a bath. So you know, it's just a case of keeping on top of it. It's not the same as like having one bathroom and, you know, having like a household using it and having to clean it every other day. So it probably just gets done once a week, because it hardly gets used. It's more to freshen it up, to be honest with you. Give some of the bits a little dust. But yeah, I'm really loving the different products that I'm trying, and because I'm doing these videos, I'm trying different products as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I hope this is your cup of tea, and thank you very much for watching. And I'm away for a nap now. I'm absolutely knackered. I've been running around all day. Yeah, I had to go and post the prizes and post different bits and pieces that I was sending to people. So and the post box, the charity shops, I've been doing some clearing out. Then we went to Aldi, and then we've kind of been doing the housework and clearing things out in the house. So yeah, I thought I'd come and film this while my hair still looks nice and pretty, because guaranteed when I go for a sleep I'll wake up and it'll look terrible. So a wee afternoon nap. So anyway guys, thank you for watching and thanks for listening to me, and thank you for all your support. It really means so much to me. I'm really enjoying YouTube, and I'm trying to film when I'm kind of putting my makeup on and feeling a bit brighter. And today I'm only going to film one video, but some days if I've got a few things, I'll save them up and I'll film them all in one day. That seems to be working for me. So anyway guys, take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.